Mulliner is Bentley's personalisation, bespoke and coach building division. The last 2 years have witnessed the rebirth of Mulliner, with demand soaring for individually created, bespoke Bentleys. The Batur is much more than a successor to the Bacalar. Its exquisite design clothes the most capable Grand Tourer Bentley has ever created, and the most powerful. The word artisan is often overused, but not in this case. This is a car crafted entirely by hand from the ground up, and each one will take months to create. Our Mulliner artisans will craft every detail to the individual customer's specification for a truly bespoke car. And exclusivity is guaranteed, with just 18 Baturs to be built. The Batur will feature the iconic Bentley W12, the engine that's powered the brand for almost 20 years. As it approaches its retirement, we want to celebrate it, and the Batur will use the ultimate iteration of the W12, delivering more power than ever before. All 12 Bacalars were reserved before we even announced the project, because it combined exquisite design with beautiful craftsmanship and the allure of rarity with the thrill of endless personalisation. Batur will offer current and new customers the same proposition, but elevated even further with a bold coupe design unlike anything seen before from Bentley. It's a stunning piece of work by our design team.
At the heart of Mulliner has always been a special promise to each and every customer to design and create a car that is truly individual and tailored to their specifications. Through handcrafted materials and exceptional colours, we bring the extraordinary visions of our customers to life. The only limit is imagination. Every single Batur customer will commission their car through dedicated sessions with our Mulliner designers, who will guide customers through the process of choosing the infinite combinations of material, finish and colour across their car. From the main exterior paint to the surface finish of the air vents and literally everything in between, each customer will specify even the tiniest of details. This was a joyful process with the Bacalar, and the result is a family of 12 cars that are as unique and different as their owners. The use of colour and materiality has been incredibly diverse and shows the breadth of ability of our Mulliner craftspeople. The Batur will be our most significant co-creation project yet, and we cannot wait for the process to begin.
The Batur is the most beautiful Bentley created yet. It's the start of the next step of our Beyond 100 journey.